What's up, people? I'm Dre Skeen, and it is World Bartender Day. And we're here at the Ribcage Grill, and we're going to speak to Sean Hopkins, who's going to make a dirty mojito today. Let's see how that tastes. All right, so this is the dirty mojito. What's in it specifically?
All right, so here at the Ribcage Grill, all of our cocktails we mostly featured like natural herbs, such as this one. Itself, a dirty mojito is one of our very unique handcrafted cocktail with the twist of the classic mojito itself. Now, in this dirty mojito, we featured one of our very smooth rums, the Kingston 62, and we give it a twist. Instead of using our natural sugar added, because of our craftiness at the Ribcage, we were able to craft our own dark sugar syrup. So we use that to incorporate with the cocktail to give that darker look alongside the Kingston 62, of course. And mojito is something that just the name of it itself sounds cool, nice. It's something where a man can enjoy and a woman also can enjoy it with. A man, at any given time, and it gives you that nice tropical vibe when enjoying our dirty mojito.
So, tell me about yourself now. Why did you decide to become a bartender?
Honestly, at first, when I started the journey, I was more of looking out for other persons because I was active in my community, development. And so forth. So I used to always have opportunities, and instead of me first, I always look out, for my peers. And I just got the opportunity presented itself at the perfect time, because nothing beat time. And once it's the right time, it's the best time. And that's when I started it. But the love I found from being a bartender was actually started my first job.
Yeah.
And I always see cocktails making on television or on social media, and the creativeness of it was always something that captured me.
Yeah.
And when I started making my first drink, and when I tasted it myself, I was like, whoa, I think if I continue down this path, then who knows? And here I am now.
So do you have a signature drink?
Yes, I do.
Is it on the Ribcage's menu, or is it just your personal specialty?
Well, we are always going to have one of those cocktails in the bag for that special moment.
Yeah.
But yes, there are quite a few of our cocktails that's on the menu that I play a role in creating, and those are our best-selling cocktails. And even alongside with our dirty mojito, whenever you come here, the best cocktails are the ones that is going to pop first. Your dirty mojito, and quite a few more.
Yeah. So, what advice you'd give to anybody else who wants to become a bartender?
Do it from the heart.
Yeah.
Do it from the heart, and once you do it from the heart, that's where everything comes smoother. Don't look at it as, it's a 9 to 5. And yes, it's a career that you will be paid for, but don't look at it as just the income. Look at it as something that you love. You same like how you love your mommy, or you love your girlfriend, and you put so much into that and invest so much time into that. If you're becoming a bartender, just approach it with that mind frame, and the possibilities is endless.
Yeah. So last question, I don't really want to ask too much, but what do you think is your specialty, as in what makes you different from the other bartenders?
I would say my character. You know, I'm one of those entertaining bartenders. I might just to interact with the customers. I'm also a storyteller.
Yeah.
So I wow my customers with story. And as I said, earlier on, when I said put the love in the career, that's how it becomes more easier, because once you love it, you are going to find creative ways of creating your image and your character. And that's how where I'm at now, that's what brought me here. Yeah. And you know, every time I serve a guest a cocktail, the expression alone, if I have a bad night or a bad day when I come at work and I serve a customer a cocktail, and that expression that yes, I was pleased, that makes my day.
Well, be sure to check out the Dirty Mojito here at the Ribcage Grill and ask for Sean specifically. So let's cheers to
the World Bartenders Day.
All right.
All right, cheers.